Vipasana technique of meditation to remove sanskara. Vipasya. Pasya means to see. V means in a special way, total way. So seeing reality as is called Vipasana. When we see reality as is, the sanskaras become illusion and they are removed. Original Vedic tradition practice that practice of Vipasana meditation. Later on it was lost. Lord Buddha revived it. Here in this book I have a comparison of a Raja Yoga to Buddhism. Raja Yoga has 8 steps called Ashtanga Yoga. Buddhism also has 8 steps. What was called Vipasana in Sanskrit, in Pali, in Buddhism, it is called Vipasana. What was taught in Raja Yoga was very elaborate technique. Lord Buddha simplified it. Instead of 10 commandments, like yama, niyama, asana, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi, he eliminated some of the steps. He kept morality. Instead of 10 commandments, he made 3 basic commandments: right speech, right conduct, and right livelihood. Then this is called Shila. Then middle part he called Samadhi. He eliminated yoga position, breathing techniques. He came straight into concentration by focusing the mind. He called Samadhi. And last stage, instead of Samadhi of Raja Yoga, he called Prajna. So he broke down into 3 steps. 3 steps of Shila or moral living, 3 steps of Samadhi or concentration, and 2 steps of Prajna or seeing. Okay. So what is Vipasana, how it is done? Vipasana means to be able to see. So in short, in a capsule form, you understand that you have to be free from the world. So remove the distractions from the world, because when we are interacting with the world, all our senses are reacting to the world. So first quiet down. You can use yogic breathing or simply observe the breath. Observe the breath. Make it smooth and steady. Observe it at the tip of the nose or follow the breath going in and out. What it will do is to make the mind quieter, purer, and concentrated. One needs concentrated mind for Vipasana to be able to see reality as it is. With this sharp, focused mind, one does surgery of mind. One does surgery and evaluates situations to see the reality as is. So in Vipasana, you go to the depth to remove sanskaras. This is the Raja Yoga chart. We are made up of body, senses, mind, intellect, and consciousness. So usually the energy is scattered. Body works one way, senses work one way, other way, mind, emotions, everything work differently. So when you practice that breathing and settle around the mind, then all the faculties of gross body, astral body, and causal body, or body, senses, mind, intellect, and consciousness become totally integrated. When we have removed all the distractions from the world, then all these faculties get integrated, so the deeper mind, unconscious mind, releases stored impression through the causal body and through the gross body. So what happens is, when you are stopping your distraction from outside world, you are sitting, settling down and working with yourself. When you work with yourself, from unconscious mind, all the impression come down gradually to the mental level, and in the form of images they are released. They are released so that all the tensions are removed, all the memories are removed, all the sanskaras are removed. It comes in the form of vision or mental outlet. Once they are released, they evaporate, sanskaras are removed. But at gross level, we are made up of 5 basic elements. This is called Pancha Mahabhuta, which is earth, water, fire, air and space. So these are rudimentary subtle elements, subtle at atomic level. So in the space, 4 elements of earth, water, fire and air interact with each other. And when they interact with each other, they make all the solid form, liquid form and gaseous form. So entire universe is made up of these 5 matters. All the names and forms are illusion. Really, when you look behind the body, look behind the carpet, look behind the metal, look behind the plant, nothing is there but vibration, energy and consciousness. So this is what is Vipasana. In Pali it is called Vipasana. Vipasana is to see reality as is. So in the practice, one becomes relaxed and slowly travels through the body, becoming aware of the body. When one is very relaxed, all the unconscious mind and emotions are connected with physical body, and within physical body these 5 elements. So as you travel through the body from head to the toes very slowly and systematically, then you become aware of vibration, and these 5 elements which are vibrating, they are released. So you feel the sensation in the body, and all this sensation of heat, cold, expansion or contraction are releasing of the sanskaras. So as you release the sanskara, you feel relieved. Sanskaras are like mud at the bottom of a lake. As long as mud is there, disturbance will be there. You can do simple meditation and you can feel relaxed for a while, but the mud comes on the surface, it becomes dirty again. So sanskaras are removed like removing the dirt. Once you remove the dirt, water won't be polluted again. Sanskaras are like gas trapped under water. So when sanskaras come up through vision, through images and through sensation in the body, it is like gas coming up the surface and evaporating. As you evaporate these sanskaras, then you become free from them. So approach in Buddhism, Vipasana, is different than approach in Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga, you expand your consciousness, and in consciousness all the sanskaras come on the surface and they disappear. In this Vipassana approach, we quiet the mind and make it sharp, pure and pointed, and look into reality as is. So you don't look at your face or your eyes or your fingers as fingers, but you see everything as vibration and energy. So reality is, everything is nothing but vibration. Only reality is supreme consciousness. And this consciousness is non-dual. There are not two things. It is Advaita, non-dual. So everything is consciousness. And the same thing is validated by quantum physics. Entire universe is nothing but unified field of consciousness, everything we see as names and forms is illusion. So if you see personally for yourself that everything is illusion, body is illusion, mind is illusion, birth is illusion, death is illusion, when you see everything as illusion, you see yourself as supreme consciousness. You have nowhere to go, nothing to do, nothing to accomplish, and that is the freedom. This is the liberation, because there are no more sanskaras, no more desires, no more transmigration, and this gives you freedom. When one gets in touch with higher self, one experiences Sat, Chit and Anand. Sat means immortality, Chit means knowing, consciousness, knowing everything is part of us, and Anand is bliss. So one finds lasting peace. Jai Bhagavan.